So SoftLayer is a valuable proposition because it really takes all of the traditional things you think about infrastructure as a service platform and the limitations of it, and turns them on its head because of its bare metal capability and its ability to be able to provide services in a really flexible and transparent way to its clients. Yeah, so some of the key technical differentiators are based around, first of all, the bare metal capability. So the ability to be able to provision dedicated infrastructure on an infrastructure as a service platform is unique within the infrastructure as a service industry. Secondly, the triple layer network architecture really differentiates itself from other providers by being able to break down a public, private and managed network at 3 levels. And the fact that that's bundled in as part of the service really means that a client can, with confidence, be able to put their data and their content onto the SoftLayer network, onto the SoftLayer cloud, and be able to move it around with, total flexibility. The SoftLayer data center in the UK coming to fruition is really the beginning of taking SoftLayer from the acquisition that we bought 12 months ago to being a fully global managed services company providing services around the world. What it means to the UK business and UK market is we can offer more bespoke services that can actually get around data residency issues. It means that with confidence clients can know where their data is in country, as opposed to just know where their data is somewhere in the SoftLayer cloud in another site. So the beauty of SoftLayer to a managed service provider is that it's the build it part of the think it, build it, tap into it message that IBM brings around cloud. And what does that mean? Well, SoftLayer intrinsically is an ingredient within the build it component. We still need managed service providers to help clients think about how they're going to adopt cloud and the ingredients of SoftLayer, and then tap into it afterwards by actually layering their value propositions, their services, their capabilities on top of it to really generate additional values by actually leveraging the API content and the API capabilities that sit within the SoftLayer environment. The SoftLayer announcement around bursting into SoftLayer and taking capability for it, be it compute or storage or anything else, I think is a really interesting proposition. And the reason being is because it takes the ingredient and it leverages it in a really neat use case that says, okay, we might not put all of our primary workload in, but where there's periods of high volume, high growth, maybe your business is cyclical, maybe you actually just going through exponential growth and you don't have the capital available to be able to go and extend your existing footprint at the drop of a hat, then there's another option, there's another capability, and it's these use cases which really offer clients flexibility and managed service providers flexibility to be able to continue the journey with their clients.